Hello everyone, this is the third video of making unboxing videos. Go check out the other two videos on my channel. First puzzle, we have the Stegosaurus Dino puzzle. We have the cube and some instructions. As you can see, this is just a shape mod of the 2x2x3, just like how the 3x3 has the mirror cube. Next up we have the Pandora cube. Also comes with instructions. It is exactly like a normal 3x3, but just the shape is different, but the turning is the same. It is by far my most favorite cube. I like how your finger is locked here when you do this turn. Last but not least, we have the Puppet Cube version 1. This is by far one of the hardest cubes in the world. You can see it shapeshifts. If you hold it like this, you will see it's just a normal 2x2. So when you flip it, there is version 2, which I will be doing in the next video. Thank you for watching.